so long as you sing. My mom is Dominican, Cuban, my dad is from Chile and PR, which means I'm Chile, Dominic, Rican. But I always say I'm from Queens.
Mix.
Let me rep my flag as well.
Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they satin. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. My swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand
तुझको ही दुल्हन बनाऊंगा तुझको ही दुल्हन बनाऊंगा वरना कवारा मर जाऊंगा
When this shit get ugly, I've been through some shit, you might not wanna love me. Outlaw screaming thug life, only God can judge me. This for all the hoes that played around when I was dusty. Didn't wanna fuck me.
Wanna see a black boy mixed with Indian?
You said you were alright. Okay, I can take you there.
Tell me you're mixed with Trini without telling me you're mixed with Trini.
I need some money, nigga. The fuck I'ma do with 200? What's not clicking, Steven? Cash at me right now. Hurry up.
I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good, I'm kicking back and I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good, I'm kicking back.
Light up, Skechers. Light up, my blood. I like the Skechers. You like me, my Gucci shoes.
One, two, three, yeah. You is a lie. They satin. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. My swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'?
Feel like you're not try to hear what me saying, like you're not sitting my way, you know. Fred, I feel like you're not disrespect me too, you know. I know what happened to. Well, let's your place, you know.
My telephone ring, calling me from Miami. What up?
I'm not here living though, I'm not here living though. Meeting
On my day smoking on Molly, rocking Bravo, Charlie when we post band.
You are white. What are you?
I'm literally Mexican.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
He said, I love you. And no matter what, keep doing what you're doing. Keep doing what you're doing. Whatever you're doing, keep doing it. You gotta keep it moving. Gotta keep it moving. And do what you're doing. Keep doing what you're doing. When I found it hard at times to be myself, not me, just be myself. 만날 카라 다메요 오카네 만날 카라 다메요 Blaze your body, blaze your body I see rock, I don't sit no man
My telephone ring, calling me from Miami, Miami.
I'ma make you beg 'cause you look pretty when you begging. So meet me on the campus, I'll be there around 11. Let me put my books down. Excuse me if I look down.
I just wake up in the morning, count up all my checks. I did all the shit I could, I don't even know his name.
I deserve it. I was walking around the mall, wondering about new turkeys.
Yeah, she bad, ain't she? Why would I wanna keep her to myself? I know you mad, ain't you? 'Cause she only want me and no one else.
There's one thing you can expect from me, and that's the unexpected. 'Cause I'm an international super spy. Super spy! जिंदगी को बिना प्यार कोई कैसे गुजारे?
Yeah, look, sex, I need some wet shit. Neck, I need some bacon. Yeah, I'm a little man, yeah. Kiss on your belly, yeah. She got that wet shit, yeah. She got that wet shit, yeah.
My two friends are busy, so I'm gonna rant to y'all. I feel like in Toronto, I have no one to make content with. There's not a lot of people here that are like actually serious about content creation. They just want to make like stupid smasher passes in a hotel room. And like, I don't want to do that. I want to bring something of substance to the table. Like, everyone is just so, So anyways, if you're in Toronto and you're like serious about content creation, can you comment so we could be friends and we can make videos together? Cause I'm over this. It's especially better if you live downtown Toronto. Like, that would help me a lot. So yeah.
I know I phrased this a little funny. Part of it's for the joke, part of it's because it's a little personally complicated. So I mentioned race. This is my racially white father. And I mentioned ethnicity. This is my ethnically Caribbean mother. This is my mother when she was younger in her hometown of Port of Spain, Trinidad. Trinidad is around 40% Indian and 40% African. My mom is half African, half Indian. Trinis might refer to that mix as Dogla. So ethnically, I am technically around 25% Indian. That's my Indian grandfather. But I do not have ties to Indian culture. I'm culturally Caribbean, not Indian. Other Caribbean Indians might have closer ties to Indian culture, but I do not. America doesn't really have a good way to talk about race critically. In the US, my mom is treated as and viewed as a black woman. So in school, it was super infuriating to have all these kids make jokes to tell me to go back to India when I don't have any ties to India. But then in the same breath be like, oh, your mom's black. I lived in a predominantly white area, if you couldn't tell. I could go on, but I think I'll stop here.
I got melanin. Oh yeah. I got melanin.